Hey guys, it's Andrew again with Great Vacs. One question that we get quite a bit with Rainbow customers is they ask, why does my hose keep coming off of my Rainbow E-Series vacuum cleaner? So today we're going to show you a video with a few helpful tips and tricks on how to make sure this hose is connected correctly and to keep it connected correctly while you're using your vacuum. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to check when diagnosing why this red light's turning on and your vacuum is not, the first thing you want to do is take the main power hose and make sure that it's connecting to the vacuum properly. Now if there's anything blocking these prongs right here, if they're bent, anything's blocking them, anything like that, it's going to cause a bad connection and the vacuum light is probably going to turn on because of that. Also, if you see these two gray tabs here on the hose, these latches latch the hose to the vacuum cleaner. So if any of these tabs are broken or damaged, that could also cause a bad connection and cause this light to turn on. So when you plug this hose in, you're going to want to lift up this little flap here, and that opens up the electrical port for the hose to plug into. Go ahead and insert the hose, and you're going to want to firmly press the hose into place, and you should see this gray tab and that gray tab lock into place, and you'll probably hear it lock into place as well. So firmly press the hose in and put firm pressure to one side and then the other as you're pushing the hose on to ensure that these tabs lock into place. One more thing to check out on this, you guys, see these two slots here and here? That's what these gray latches latch into on the hose. So if these appear to be damaged or broken, that could be part of the problem. If they do look broken, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. You could even send a picture of that. That would help out quite a bit, and we could help diagnose that for you. If that's the problem, we could help you get that fixed. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to comment below. And also, if you're looking to buy any parts or supplies or upgrade your current Rainbow to a newer model with a 5-year warranty, click below and get y'all taken care of. And don't forget guys, like this video and subscribe to our channel.